Hey, it's Eric with PDRC, and I've been asked, where are you at on Frankenstein's monster? Well, I didn't think there was really much more I could do with Frank, but truth be told, yes, I could. We now have an account with Integi, and gave my first test on Frank. Also, I may or may not have expanded on my lights just a smidge, and added in a light or two in here so that Frank can be seen from space. So this is where we're at on Frank at the moment. Got a couple of ground effects going on. I've got headlights. Of course, I got the lights in the wings over here because, I can. So this is where we're at on the light front. Now on the new Integi front, on the inside, which case there may possibly be a wire or two snotted up in there. Kind of looks like a symbiote threw up from Venom. But so we've got new Integi parts in here. This is our first test with them. I've got the arms and turnbuckles, and of course that's with the new metal Hot Racing CVs, also with the metal differentials. And I've been running Frank on 6S, but I think now that I've got everything together, I might actually give him a shot on 3 and see where we're at. But this is what Frank looks like, current progress. I still can't drive, so the safest place to be when you see me out on the track is behind something really sturdy. Anyway, so that's the update on Frank. I appreciate you watching, and hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.